In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 every 60 seconds, and I'll also share with you a special trick that will allow you to repeat this process over and over again. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is just a really effective way to make some extra money online. This is the application that you're going to use. And as you can see right here, you will receive $2 right when you join. But what I'm going to show you is a trick that will enable you to sign up over and over again so you can continue getting $2 repeatedly. This website is meant to take surveys and share feedback on products that you use. And you will get paid for taking the surveys, which are an additional bonus to the $2 that you receive when you join. This can be done anywhere in the world. So if we scroll down a bit, it'll show the 3 simple steps right here. Step 1 is to sign up and get an instant bonus of 200 points, which is worth $2. You'll then take surveys through their email invites, and the surveys are very quick and easy to answer. And then you'll earn rewards for each survey that you take. There are several different types of rewards that you can receive, whether it's Amazon gift cards, cryptocurrency, Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, and more. So we can just click this button that says join to get $2 to download the mobile app. After you click that, you'll then have to fill in all this personal information. After you have filled all this information in and then clicked sign up, they will then send a verification email to you which you will want to verify. And once you've signed in, this is what your dashboard will look like. And the name of this website is univoxcommunity.com. You can see here that when you are on your dashboard, they will ask you a few questions. I'm going to be sharing with you a special trick that will enable you to take more surveys so you can make more money on top of the $2 you will receive when you join. So for all these questions here, you'll just want to answer all of them so you can get as many surveys as possible. So I'll just answer these here and continue answering them by providing as much information as possible so I can get as many surveys as possible. Try and select most or all of the answers. So after I've answered all those questions, you can see here that I have this many surveys in front of me that I can fill out to earn money. And 100 points is equal to $1. As you earn more points over time, your account will begin to level up and you will be able to unlock more ways to get paid. But I have a trick to get you even more surveys. Before I show you that, make sure you subscribe to this channel to watch more videos about how to make money online. The trick is to download and use this free VPN called TunnelBear. Head over to Google and search for TunnelBear. Click on the first link, which will take you to this page. Next, click on this button that says Get TunnelBear Now, and then just click Try for free right here. Once you do that, it'll automatically download to your device, which you can open to install and sign up for your free account. After you've set it up to your device, make sure you set the country in the US, as this website will target the US more than most countries since it's a high-earning country. You could also add it to the UK or Canada or any other country that is high-earning. After you've done that, you'll just want to keep refreshing the page until you get more and more new surveys so you can make more money. So now I'm going to show you how you can earn another $2. I'm just going to log out and then click on join to get $2 again right here. Then you'll fill out all this information again, but the only difference is that you will add a new email address. So what you can do is head over to Google and search temporary email address and then click this link right here. So you can see here that you can grab this temporary email and then paste it here on your sign up information and then fill out the rest of the information the same. Once you've done that, you can see that a verification email has been sent to your temporary email address. And while you wait to receive your email, you can see that they've already accepted your account, so you can fill out all this information and earn 200 points, which is $2. And once you've received your verification email, you will then receive your $2, which you can immediately withdraw. You can just repeat this process with as many temporary emails as possible. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.